thanks for joining me again. Today we're going to make 2 beehive nukes. For those of you who don't know, a nuke is short for a nucleus. It's a little miniature hive that's supposed to hold 5 little frames full of bees, baby bees, the queen bee, and you can sell them or use them and move them to a new hive. So the nuke is the miniature hive that holds this small colony of bees, and you can sell them to someone who needs bees for their beehive. So I've got my pine board. It's a 1 by 12 by 8, and this is going to work great. Now we've got our pieces cut, and I didn't quite have enough for the whole project out of my 1 by 12 by 8. I didn't realize it was probably supposed to be a 1 by 12 by 12 or 10. Anyway, I just found some spare wood laying around, and this is perfect. It appears to be 1/2 inch plywood, and it'll fit perfectly. Because these pieces are fairly narrow, we're going to make sure to put in pilot holes first. I'm going to put in my pilot holes and then start drilling it together. While I wasn't filming, I took the lid and I drilled a hole through the top so I can put this feeder jar right in there. The feeder jar's got a bunch of hole punctures, so we fill it up with sugar water and we stick it in just like that, and then the bees can eat as much as they want. And I also put in little doors, which work great that way, because the whole purpose of this is to transport bees to a new home. So we wanted to be able to plug that up so they don't fly away down the freeway. I've traced out where I want my holes, and now I've got my tool of choice. This is my favorite tool. It's my jigsaw my husband got me. So I'm going to start with a plunge cut since I want to cut from the sides. I'm going to go in with a plunge. Here is our beautiful metal mesh that I picked up at Lowe's for $7, and I obviously have a lot of extra. Alright, the first one of my nukes is completely done. It's got beautiful fresh air to go through, a screened in bottom, a nice tight lid, a feeder, and a door. So we're gonna go ahead and fill these up with bees. Alright, it's a beautiful day today and it's really nice and warm. It's about 70 degrees. So we're gonna go ahead and pull our frames out of our hives and fill the nukes.
Look for the queen.
Look for the queen. Here's their food. Excuse me, bees. There we go. Happy bees. All right. So it was a success today. We filled 2 nuke frames with 5 fully populated frames of bees. And I was unable to find the queens in each of the hives. Ideally, I wanted to put the queens in the new nukes. I couldn't find them, but that's okay. I'll just check on all 4 hives later on and see which ones have queens and which ones don't. So that's not a problem. I'm keeping my hood on because the bees can smell my hairspray and they really like it. So definitely keeping this on. So if you like the video, then hit the like button. Please subscribe. We've got lots more fun things to do, and I'll see you in the next video.